Hey there! Today we are going to dive into the world of ChatGPT. This course is perfect for those who are new to this topic and want to learn more. ChatGPT is really cool computer program created by OpenAI. It's amazing at understanding and writing text that's just like something a human would write. It's a part of a group of smart computer programs called GPT models. These intelligent assistants are really helpful. They can help with lots of tasks like answering questions and writing content. They are so smart, they can understand what you need and give you great responses. ChatGPT is an amazing assistant that loves to chat through written messages. It's always ready to provide helpful information, answer any questions, and have fun conversations. It uses super advanced computer technology to understand and use language in so many different ways. It's really important to keep in mind that your writing style has a big impact on the quality of your results. So, the better your writing style, the better your results will turn out. You can use ChatGPT in customer support, content generation, education, language translation, programming help, etc. These are some parts where you can use ChatGPT. Additionally, there is shocking news that has reached millions of people in just 5 days. In the next part, we will talk about how you can create ChatGPT account.